The day I learned the ancient Chinese secret. ESL story with phrasal verbs. A freestyle American English original story. The memory. When I was a kid in the States, there was this TV commercial everybody remembered. A customer asks the laundry owner, "How do you get the clothes so clean?" And the owner smiles and says, "Ancient Chinese secret." Everyone laughed. Today I'm going to tell you my version of that idea, but I want you, my ESL students, to listen for and identify the phrasal verbs while I tell the story. You'll hear things like get it out, soak it up, throw it in, and hang it up. Just notice them, and we'll list them at the end. This is the story of a student named Maya, a coffee stain, and a laundry owner who actually knew what she was doing. Maya's problem. It was a Tuesday afternoon. I was getting ready for class, and my student Maya came in holding up a white shirt like it was evidence. "Teacher," she said, "I spilled coffee on my shirt. I have an interview tomorrow. I need to get this stain out." I said, "Did you wash it?" She said, "Yeah, I washed it, but it didn't come out. I even looked up videos." She was frustrated. I said, "Okay. You live near that little corner laundry with the blue sign, right?" She said, "Yeah." I said, "There's a woman there who runs the place. People say she can fix anything. Go see her. And pay attention to how she does it." Maya laughed. "Okay, teacher. I'll go." The little laundry shop. After class, Maya walks down to the corner. She opens the glass door, the little bell rings out. Inside, it's small but organized, folded clothes, a moving rack, a little cloud of steam in the back. Behind the counter is a woman in her 50s, calm, focused. Name tag, Chen. "Hi," Maya says. "Hi there," the woman says. "What can I help you with?" Maya holds up the shirt. "I spilled coffee. I have an interview tomorrow. My teacher said you can fix anything." Mrs. Chen smiles. "Your teacher said that?" "He said you haven't." "Ancient Chinese secret," Maya says, a little shy. Mrs. Chen laughs. "People still bring that up?" No. There's no ancient secret. There's just the right way to do it. "So, can you fix it?" Maya asks. "I can," says Mrs. Chen. "But I can also show you how to fix it, so you don't have to come in every time you mess up a shirt." "You'll show me?" "Of course. Come here." Step 1. Act fast. Mrs. Chen brings her to a clean counter and lays the shirt out flat. "First rule," she says, "don't wait around. When you spill something, you deal with it." She takes out a clean white towel. "Coffee spreads. We don't want it to spread out." She presses the towel gently on the stain. "Not scrubbing, just dabbing. We soak it up first," she says. "Don't rub it in, that just pushes the stain deeper. Just blot it up." Maya watches closely. "So I shouldn't scrub it?" she asks. "Not yet," Mrs. Chen says. "First, we get rid of the extra. Then we work on the stain." She hands the towel to Maya. "You try." Maya dabs the shirt the same way. "Good," says Mrs. Chen. "See? Not magic." Step 2. Break it down. Mrs. Chen goes to a shelf and takes down a small bottle. "What's that?" Maya asks. "Pre-treatment," says Mrs. Chen. "You don't have to buy up expensive stuff. You can mix up dish soap and water. You can use up what you already have. We just need something to break the stain down." She puts on gloves. "We put on a little bit," she says, squeezing some onto the spot. "Now we rub it in. Now it's okay to rub, and we let it sit." "How long do we leave it on?" Maya asks. 5-10 minutes, says Mrs. Chen. "Don't walk off and forget it. Just let it do the job." They wait. Step 3. Wash it right. The time is up. "All right," says Mrs. Chen, "now we wash it." This is where people mess up. They just throw it in with everything. She takes out a little mesh laundry bag. If you have one, you put it in here. Don't mix it in with dark clothes. And don't turn up the heat if the fabric can't take it. She opens the machine, puts it in, and turns it on. Maya asks, "What if I don't have a machine?" "Then you rinse it out in the sink," says Mrs. Chen. "You scrub it up a little, and you hang it up to dry." Same idea. "You make it sound easy," Maya says. "It is easy," says Mrs. Chen. "People just don't do it in order." The real secret. They talk while the machine runs. Maya tells her she's an international student. She has an interview. She was nervous. That's why she spilled. Mrs. Chen nods. Happens. The machine finishes up. She opens it, takes out the bag, and pulls the shirt out. The stain is gone. Maya's eyes light up. It came out. Of course it came out, says Mrs. Chen. We did it right away. We broke it down. We washed it right. So there's really no ancient Chinese secret? Maya says. No, says Mrs. Chen. There's just doing it properly. People like to make up stories. Commercials set up jokes. People hold on to them. They pass them on. But the best thing to pass on is knowledge. Maya smiles. I like that. Good, says Mrs. Chen. Now go get that job. Interview day. The next day, Maya shows up for her interview in that same white shirt. No stain. Clean. Pressed. The interviewer looks up. Nice shirt. Thank you, Maya says. I had to fight off a coffee stain, but I got it out. The interviewer laughs. How'd you do that? Maya grins. Ancient Chinese secret. Then she laughs and says, actually, a really kind laundry owner walked me through it. The interviewer nods. I like that. You look for solutions. You follow through. That's good. And that's the real version of the old commercial, not a mystery, not a stereotype, just someone who knows the steps and is willing to teach them. Phrasal verbs used in the story. Come in, walk down, show up, get, the stain, out, wash it, come out, look up, check it out, go see, help you with, show you, walk you through, take out, soak up, blot it up, rub it in, get rid of, work on, break it down, put on, let it sit, leave it on, throw it in, mix it in, turn it on, turn up, rinse it out, scrub it up, hang it up, mess up, make up, set up, hold on to, pass on, fight off, look for, follow through.